What if I told you that you're just one secret ritual away from unlocking untold wealth and success? Sounds crazy, right? But according to none other than Nostradamus, the legendary 16th century prophet, Pisces, the dreamers of the zodiac, are poised to swim into a sea of riches starting December 26th. All you need to do is perform a ritual that connects your energy with the stars. Stick with me, because we're about to reveal how you can channel this cosmic jackpot into your life. First, let's talk about the man behind the prophecy, Nostradamus. Born in 1503, this French astrologer, physician, and seer made some mind-blowing predictions about the future. From the Great Fire of London to the rise of Napoleon, and even modern events like 9/11, people believe Nostradamus foresaw it all in his cryptic quatrains. But hidden among his many prophecies lies a lesser-known prediction about Pisces, a zodiac sign destined for greatness in times of cosmic alignment. One of his quatrains reads, "When the tide shifts and the fish rises, treasures will come to those who prepare their nets." It's poetic, mysterious, and dripping with Pisces energy. And guess what? That shift in the tide starts December 26, 2024. So if you're a Pisces or know someone who is, it's time to gear up and prepare your net because the universe is ready to deliver. Why Pisces? Let's pause for a second and talk about Pisces. If you were born between February 19th and March 20th, congratulations, you're the fish of the zodiac. Pisces is known for being imaginative, intuitive, and deeply connected to the spiritual and emotional realms. But here's the kicker. Pisces often struggle with material wealth. You're the type to dream big but hesitate when it comes to chasing financial success. Nostradamus understood this, which is why he emphasized that Pisces need to align their dreams with action. And that's exactly what this ritual is all about. And if you're not a Pisces, don't worry. Share this video with your Pisces friends. They might owe you a cut of their newfound riches for helping them out. Why December 26th? Now, why is December 26th such a big deal? It's not just Christmas Eve, it's the start of a rare cosmic event. Jupiter, the planet of luck, expansion, and prosperity, is aligning with Pisces' natural energy. This alignment creates a portal of opportunity for Pisces to manifest their biggest goals. Think of it like this. The stars are holding open the door to success, but you have to walk through it. And that's where Nostradamus' secret ritual comes in. It's a way of signaling to the universe that you're ready to claim your cosmic fortune. Alright, let's get to the good stuff, the ritual. Nostradamus believed that to unlock the universe's blessings, you need to align your intentions with specific actions. This isn't just about superstition. It's about focusing your energy and commitment. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Light a blue candle. Blue represents water, intuition, and clarity, all things that Pisces thrive on. Lighting this candle is your first step in creating a sacred space. As you light it, think about the goals you want to achieve. What does financial success look like for you? Be clear and intentional. If you can, use a candle with a calming scent like lavender or ocean breeze. It'll help you get into the Pisces vibe. Step 2. Write down your financial goal. Grab a piece of paper and write down your financial goal. Don't just write something vague like, "I want more money." Be specific. Maybe you want to save $10,000, start a new business, or land your dream job. Whatever it is, put it into words. Writing it down makes it real. It's like placing an order with the universe. Step 3. Place the paper in a bowl of water. Pisces is a water sign, and water is a symbol of flow and abundance. Place your written goal in a bowl of water to signify your willingness to let your dreams flow into reality. As you do this, say aloud, "As the fish swim freely, so does abundance flow to me." It might sound cheesy, but trust me, affirmations are powerful. Step 4. Add a coin to the bowl. Now, drop a coin into the water. This symbolizes the give-and-take nature of wealth. By offering a coin, you're showing the universe you're ready to receive and willing to share your abundance with others. It's a small act with big energy. Step 5. Place the bowl under the moonlight. This is the final, magical step. Place your bowl of water under the moonlight overnight. The moon has always been a powerful symbol of intuition and manifestation, especially for water signs like Pisces. As the moonlight hits the water, imagine your dreams being amplified and sent out into the universe. Now, let's be real. Will this ritual guarantee you $1 million overnight? Probably not. But here's the thing. Rituals like this are less about the action itself and more about your belief in the process. Psychologists call it the law of attraction. When you focus your energy and attention on a goal, you're more likely to notice opportunities and take action to achieve it. This ritual is just a tool to help you focus and align with the cosmic energy available to you. Need more proof that Pisces can strike it big? Just look at Rihanna, who turned her dreams into $1 billion empire. Or Steve Jobs, who revolutionized technology with his creative vision. These Pisces knew how to dream big and act on their intuition. Now it's your turn. So, Pisces, are you ready to claim your fortune? December 26th is your moment to shine. Light that candle, set your intentions, and let the universe know you're ready to swim in the big leagues. If you try this ritual, let us know in the comments how it goes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic secrets, rituals, and predictions. Who knows, your next big break could be written in the stars. Remember, Pisces, fortune favors the bold, and the fish who dare to dream.